Hi, welcome to the Plug-in Duo. My name is Julio and my wife Christine is behind the camera. This is going to be a quick unboxing of the S24 Ultra. Let's do it. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. S24 Ultra, what do you guys think? Isn't she a beauty? Just kidding. This is the S22 Ultra. All jokes aside, let's get to unboxing. So here's the retail box for the S24 Ultra in titanium violet. I don't know, that color, it just looked really nice online. So let's see. Wow. Isn't that a beauty? Really nice. Let's set this little guy aside for a bit, see what else comes in the box. Probably the same thing that has been coming in Samsung phones for a bit. Quick start guide, your USB-C to USB-C, your SIM tool, and that is about it. So let's get to the star of the show. Down here, you have your SIM card. Of course, you get your S Pen. This here, it looks like the S Pen has a non-glossy gray color. I really am digging this this titanium color. This is really nice. I really like the purplish gray color with the accent, and I really do like it. And of course, you cannot have an unboxing without one of these. There we go. So what do you guys think? So one thing I'm noticing already is that this thing picks up fingerprints really fairly quick, and there's little either scuffs or nicks on here, I don't know. But so the S24 versus the S22 Ultra. So this phone, we've had it for about 2 years, and see how it's holding up. It's got a little bit of pitting on the side, but for the most part, it's held up extremely well. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but the S22 is slightly taller down here on the chin. As far as the width, they are pretty much the same. And then as far as how thick they are, both of them look to be about the same. If you notice, the speaker grill, instead of being a whole bunch of little slots, it's just literally one line, and that is it. The SIM tool is still there. You still have your microphone down at the bottom piece. If you notice, it's really shiny on the S24. It's a matte titanium color on here, and yeah, you could really see the antenna bands. They are really pronounced on the S24, but I mean, aside from that, yeah, it's even the camera arrangement is the same on the back. One thing that I do notice definitely is that up here on the top, it appears that you have two noise canceling microphones versus the S22 has one. Here on this side, there's nothing aside from the antenna band cutouts. You have one cutout here versus two on the S24. On here, it's pretty much the same. The button placement is the same, except the buttons are a little bit thicker on the S24 versus S22. I believe this is the 5G antenna, still in the same place. I believe this has a laser autofocus. I'm not sure what this one has, but as far as the cameras, they kind of do look the same, except this one has I believe the 200 megapixel, and this one had the 108, if I'm not mistaken. If you notice, this has the camera rings on the side and on the front, and on the S22, it just has it mostly on the sides, not so much on the camera face itself. This was a quick unboxing. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys got any questions, any comparisons between the S22 and the S24. Thanks for watching. Bye now.